Hey guys, welcome to Coding with Aarav. Today we're going to be learning about how to use about other data types. Okay, so we've learned the following data types: a string, an integer, and boolean. That's true. Okay. Now we're going to go on to the little advanced side. Okay, so now we're going to make a variable. Let's do L is equal to. Now I put square brackets. Square brackets stand for a list. Okay, so a list is like a list. There are like multiple objects. So you could put like hello and then Aarav. But you can't write it like this. So you have to put a comma between everything you're writing, which is an object. So like this is an object. So you need to put a separator between every object. Now let's print the L. Let's see what we get. Yeah, so then now we got hello Aarav. But we don't really just print a list or like that. So we could also add something to a list, okay? So let's do L dot. If you want to add something, I use append. So you append something, you add something. Then just give the object. So let's do Aarav and then let's do Little. Okay, now let's see what we get. We got hello, Aarav, and then Little. Now let's print L over here too. So first we have hello Aarav. Now when we append this and then we print L, we got hello Aarav Mittal. Okay? So now we learned how to add it to it. Now let's learn a new thing in this about the index. Okay? So index start from 0. So hello is number object 0 and then Aarav is number object 1. So that those are its indexes. So if you want to print something's index, then we say print L dot index. And then we need what we want the index of. So let's do maybe hello. I'll show them this. So I got 0, so it's on index 0. If we add a Mittal to it, and then we do Mittal, then we should get 3. I mean 2. So my just trick is to count them 3 and then just minus a 1 from there. Okay. So now if we want to see if we know the index of an object and we want to see what's on the index, then we do L and then a square bracket. I know it sounds a little weird, but we just write it like that. And then what index do you want? So let's do maybe 1. So then we got Aarav. If we do, you could have tried any also for yourself. Let me just do for now 0 and then it'll just print hello. Okay? If you want to add more objects to the list and you want to try to print them out, go ahead. Now if we want to check if an object is in a list, then we could use 3 keywords: if, else, elif. So the most useful is the if one. Let's start with if. If hello in so we have the variable L, so let's do L. If hello is in L, then print hello is in L variable. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, we got it correct. Now supposing if we think it's hello one, okay, so let me just copy this for a second. Yeah. Then we do the else statement. Else. You don't have to write anything else. So if and then some if it isn't, then we'll just print oh wait, hello is not an L variable. Now let's see. And hello one. Hello one is not an L variable. We got it correct. Okay. Now let's do Elif. So if you want to write Elif, it has to come before the else. So I'm writing it before the else. Elif. Let's do Elif. Hello is if hello is in let's do if hello is no let's not do this. If hello is equal to type uh let's do um this wait I just need a second. Yeah, okay. So yeah, let me just copy this. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So is equal to this. Yeah, I just put this. Okay. Okay, this is kind of complicated. Okay, let's just use another example. So basically, if we want to just do, let's do maybe if Mikko is in um L print Mikko found. Okay, so we did Mikko found. So basically, if you want to add another if and it's on like the same subject like L, then you use an L. If it's another topic, then just remove this and then just put the if. Okay. So I guess that's all for today's lesson. I'll see you on the next one.